So good afternoon everyone. So my name is Kadi Johnny Magtagad. I am from BCMT2 regular class 217. And also, this is my insight or my understanding on the topics listed below in the LMS, and also it was discussed by our instructor Mr. Digapatan. So first, position line or circle of position. A position line or line of position is a line that can be both unidentified or a chart and translated to the surface of the earth. The intersection of the minimum of two positions is a fix that is used in position fixing to identify a navigator location. The position line is a line on the surface of the earth which you can use to determine the location of the bearing. On the position in the ranges, bearing, and distance can be found. Range is in mean to landmark from a line. For example, when a lighthouse is a line with a mountain top or a hill. LOP is a line that is plotted on the chart on which the both position lies. It might also be a circle of it could then be called a position circle. It is used to confirm your position on the chart. You need 2 or 3 lines intersecting to get a confirmed fix. What is the use of line position? In an open sea maritime navigation, it is important for the ship officer to know the vessel accurate position, speed, and heading to ensure vessel reaches in destination in a safe way, most economical and timely manner. That condition will the second. Different method in obtaining a fix. So what are the different methods of obtaining a fixed position? So first, celestial fix by using sextant. So second, visual fix. Third, radar fix. Fourth, GPS. Fifth, echo sounder. And the last, parallel indexing. So what are the 3 primary position fixing method? So number 1, so parallel indexing and use of clearing bearings. Number 2, use of the radar to check the accuracy of the charted position by comparing the location of the radar target against the charted symbol. Third, visual cross bearings, obtaining a 3 fix. So the third of my insight and understanding is dead reckoning. So dead reckoning is in navigation. Dead reckoning is a process of calculating current position of some moving object by using a previously determined position or fix, and then incorporating estimated of speed, heading, direction, and course over elapsed time. So running fix. What is running fix and when it commonly used? So a running fix is a method of coastal navigation position fixing, and incorporate the use of estimated position along with bearings of charted object. Using bearings will as an AP, or AP means estimated position, so makes this most accurate than an AP alone. So third, how to plot a running position. So there are 4 steps on plotting a running fix. So first, step 1, the first bearing. Step 2, the second bearing. Step 3, plot the estimated position. Step 4, transpose the position line. So, danger bearing. A danger bearing is a navigation technique used to help a vessel avoid underwater. Obstruction, and it's used when sailing near reefs of shoals and the unmarked by navigational aids. So, what is danger bearing clearing lines in navigation? When you want to ensure you are avoiding a hazard, simple piloted techniques is used of clearing lines. These are bearings of certain objects such as staying on one side of the bearing like line keeps you in safe water. Estimated position. Estimated position is a base case that you can make for the boat's movement across the Earth's surface. To start with, the exact information that we need to allow for is the direction of the tide and the distance it carried the boat. So, what is the difference between dead reckoning and estimated position? So, marine navigators differentiate between dead reckoning position or for which they use the course steered and their estimated speed through the water, and estimated position, which is dead reckoning position corrected for effects of current, wind, of the factors. So, tidal streams. So, a tidal streams is a periodic movements of water in horizontal direction that is due ultimately to the same astronomical causes of the tide, whereas the tide is moving in the vertical direction. How does the tidal stream affect navigation? When a boat is pointing in an angle across the tidal stream, that will affect the direction that is a vessel actually travels on the ground, and the effect of the boat speed made good will be dependent on both sides. Both angles and speed are involved. So the last, leeway. Leeway is the amount of the drift motion to leeward of an object floating in the water caused by the component of the wind vector that perpendicular to the object forward motion. What is leeway in ship? The difference between the force and the aft line and the direction mid is termed the leeway. It can be assessed by visually estimating the angle between the fore and the aft line and the ship wake. The diagram shows that the effect of wind on vessel track. So that's all my insight, and also all the discuss of our instructor and Mr. Nigapatan is very important to our future marine nerds. That's all. Thank you.